Now next is negation of implication. If two simple statements are connected by connective phrase if then the compound statement is called a implication or conditional statement. If P and Q are two simple statements, then their implication is P then Q. That is, if P then Q. Now, negation of implication is equivalent to P and negation Q. Now let us see how these are equivalent to each other. Here we have again two statements P and Q. What is LHS? P then Q, negation of P then Q. So we have to make a column for P then Q. Then their negation is P then Q. Now, what is RHS? P and negation Q. We have statement P here already. So we have to make column for negation Q. So we have P and negation Q. That is RHS. Give number to the columns. Write down possibilities of the statements. Now, what is the rule for implication? If first statement is true, second is false, then their implication is taken to be false. In all other cases, it is taken to be true. Remember that if first statement is true, second is false, then their implication is taken to be false. In all other cases, it is taken to be true. Now, what is the negation of P then Q? That is the opposite meaning of P then Q. If statement is true, its negation is false. Statement is false, its negation is true. False, false. That is the negation of P then Q. What is negation Q? That is the opposite meaning of the statement Q. If statement is true, its negation is false. If statement is false, its negation is true. True, false, again true. Now, we have to make conjunction of P and negation Q. So we have to see column number first and column number 5. And we have to take the conjunction of these two. And what is the rule for conjunction? If both the statements true, then true, otherwise it is taken to be false. Now see here P is true, negation Q is true. So the second part is true. In all other cases, it is taken to be false. Now see entries in the columns 4 and 6 which are identical. So therefore, we can write this as negation of P then Q is equivalent to P and negation